Let's explore the world of text search and replace using regular expressions, often shortened to regex. This is about advanced find and replace operations, where we use patterns to locate and manipulate text efficiently. Prepare to master the power of pattern matching for efficient text manipulation. Here's a look at the fundamental syntax for search and replace operations, specifically using the re.sub function in Python. First, you need to import the re module. The basic syntax is result equals re-sub, then in parenthesis pattern, replacement, and text. The pattern is what you're searching for, the replacement is what you want to replace it with, and the text is the string you're performing the operation on. Here's an example. If your text is hello world, and you want to replace world with Python, the code would be result equals re-sub, in parenthesis are double quotes world double quotes Python double quotes, text. The output would be hello Python. Remember, the order is pattern, then replacement, then the text you want to apply the changes to. Let's dive into some fundamental pattern matching symbols in regular expressions. The first symbol is a period which matches any single character. For example, A.C would match ABC, ASC, or even A5C. Next is the asterisk symbol, which means 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character. For example, ab asterisk would match a, up, or ab. Then we have the plus symbol, which means one or more occurrences of the preceding character. So, a plus would match ab or ab, but not a alone. Finally, we have the question mark, which means 0 or 1 occurrence, making the preceding character optional. For example, color question mark or would match both color and color. Let's explore character classes and anchors, which are essential for refining your regex patterns. Character classes define sets of characters. AB matches any one character, that is, A, B, or C. D matches any lowercase letter from to Z. 0-9 matches any digit from 0 to 9. \D is a shorthand for any digit. \W matches any word character, including letters, digits, and underscores. Now let's look at anchors. The caret symbol matches the start of a string. The dollar symbol matches the end of a string. \B matches a word boundary, like the start or end of a word. \B matches a non-word boundary. Let's understand how to use capturing groups in regular expressions. Capturing groups are created by placing parentheses around a part of your pattern. Here's an example. The pattern is our double quotes parenthesis \D curly bracket 4 curly bracket closing parenthesis hyphen parenthesis \D curly bracket 2 curly bracket closing parenthesis hyphen parenthesis \D curly bracket 2 curly bracket closing parenthesis double quotes. This pattern is designed to capture a date in lambda format. Let's say your text is date December 25, 2023. You can use re.sub to rearrange the date format. In the replacement string, \1 refers to the first capturing group, which is the year, \2 refers to the second capturing group, which is the month, and \3 refers to the third capturing group, which is the day. So if you use our double quotes \3/2/1 double quotes as the replacement, the output will be date December 25, 2023. Here we'll explore advanced replacement techniques using functions and lambda expressions. First, let's define a function called _match that takes a match object as input and returns the uppercase version of the matched text. Now, if your text is hello world Python, you can use re.sub with the pattern \B\W+ and the _match function to convert each word to uppercase. The output will be hello world Python. You can also use lambda expressions for conditional replacements. The code result equals re-sub, in parenthesis are double quotes \D plus double quotes, lambda m : string in parenthesis integer in parenthesis m. Group in parenthesis closing parenthesis *2 closing parenthesis, double quote score colon 50 double quotes will double the number found in the string score colon 50. Now let's explore flags and options that modify the behavior of regular expressions. Re.ignore case makes the matching case insensitive. For instance, re.sub in parenthesis are double quotes hello double quotes hi double quotes, text. Flags equals re-ignore case closing parenthesis will replace hello with hi, regardless of the case of hello in the text. Re.multiline makes the caret and dollar anchors match the start and end of each line within a multi-line string, not just the start and end of the entire string. Re.total allows the dot symbol to match new line characters as well. You can combine flags using the operator. For example, flags equals re-ignore case pipe re-multiline combines the ignore case and multiline flags. Then we can apply the sub command like re.sub in parenthesis pattern replacement text flags closing parenthesis. Let's look at some practical examples of using regular expressions for search and replace. First, for email formatting, imagine you want to extract and format emails. The pattern parenthesis \w plus closing parenthesis at parenthesis \w plus \w plus closing parenthesis can capture the username and domain of an email address. If your text is john@email.com, you can use re.sub with the replacement string \1 at \2 to format the email as john@email.com. In phone numbers, the pattern parenthesis \d curly bracket 3 curly bracket closing parenthesis \d curly bracket 3 curly bracket closing parenthesis \d curly bracket 4 curly bracket closing parenthesis can capture the area code, prefix, and line number of a phone number. If your text is 12345678890, using re.sub with the replacement string parenthesis \1 closing parenthesis space \2 hyphen \3 will format the phone number as 12345678890. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.